Housing First actually originated up here in San Francisco.
From housing policy to harm reduction to policing, all up for discussion.
It's not just fentanyl now. It's tranq, it's ISO.
Los Angeles City Councilwoman Traci Park taking to the streets of San Francisco this week.
I represent the west side of Los Angeles, including Venice Beach, which has been ground zero of the homelessness, mental health, and addiction crisis in Los Angeles outside of Skid Row.
Fentanyl fueling record deaths in both cities. San Francisco on pace for its deadliest year yet amid the drug overdose crisis.
And they're making a lot of changes and trying some different approaches. And so I'm here to learn what has worked, what hasn't worked.
And Park joined by Ellen Grants, one of the founders of Mothers Against Drug Addiction and Deaths.
What are the policy changes that you'd like to see?
Well, the first thing is that we want to see the city close the open drug scenes. That is so important because the open drug scenes attract more users, attracts more dealers. It affects the businesses and the communities.
San Francisco now 6 months into a multi-agency effort to shutter the open-air drug market. Governor Gavin Newsom sending in California Highway Patrol and National Guard to support police.
A lot more arrests are being made of drug users as well. Is that Los Angeles too?
It's a little different. One of the things I appreciate about what San Francisco is doing in recent months is that shift to focusing on especially the folks that are manufacturing and distributing this poison that is killing people in the streets.
Now we are racing the clock on the deadliest drug we have ever seen.
The conversation continuing with Supervisor Matt Dorsey.
In Los Angeles, the focus has not been on arresting users, and I am of the view that care ought to be the primary response. But that said, for repeat offenders, jail may be the thing that saves their life.
Dorsey calling for millions more for jail-based treatment.
I've always seen our county jail as a system that is capable of doing some incredibly progressive things.
The supervisor also says he's backing harm reduction efforts like safe consumption sites.
I'm going to support and have been vocal in supporting supervised consumption services if we can get to those.
Governor Newsom vetoing a bill last year that would have made way for pilot sites in San Francisco, Los Angeles, and Oakland.
In my view, public order and public health is not a false choice. Like this, the idea that we have to have one or the other is a false choice.
And back on the streets, the information gathering continues.
I don't want to repeat the mistakes that other communities have made.
Planning to present her findings to Los Angeles City Council next week. Tara Campbell, ABC 7 News.